Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how I ended up replacing this dash cam holder for the front windshield. As you can see, it doesn't have the suction cap anymore. It actually broke off. This part actually broke off from the bottom, and it's used to mount this old tech dash cam. You might have something similar. You just screw this on and then use the suction cap and connect it to the windshield, the front windshield. So I was looking around to see whether there's any replacement parts for this. Some were quite expensive and it wasn't worthwhile to replace. So I decided to think of another way and see if I could just replace the base here with a different type of unit. So after searching around, I went online, I found this unit. As you can see, it's got the wrong connector, it doesn't have the threaded screw, but I'm gonna try to see whether I can use the old one on this one. This is my first time trying it, so let's see if it works. So you just have to unscrew it, then remove the top part. It's got a ball, a pivoting ball. Then let's see, I'll remove the old one. Let's compare. The balls look very similar in size, so it might work. So I'm just gonna put it on the new one and see if it actually connects. So I'm just gonna, oh yeah, it does actually fit, so it's a perfect fit. So the unit was the new unit was roughly about $2 to $3, which I think is more affordable than buying an actual replacement, which could have costed $10 to $12. So let's see if this works. Let's see if I can make it tight. And yeah, so yeah, this actually has worked. So I'm pretty surprised with myself. So it's a good way to maybe save money. Try to look for another base. I'll put a link in the description of where I purchased this from, and you might be able to get the same one. And then I'll throw this one away. It's no longer needed. I might keep these as spares. You never know when you might change the dash cam and you use this type of connector. So there you go. I'm gonna mount it on the car now. And if this video helped you in any way, give a like and subscribe to the channel.